In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a card to the top of a list in Trello. Whether you're managing a large project or just want to keep your most important tasks front and center, being able to pin a card at the top of a list can help you stay organized and efficient. Let's walk through the steps to make this happen. Start by navigating to your Trello board. This is where all your lists and cards are organized. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Trello account and select the board where you want to pin the card. Once you're there, look towards the top menu to find the option labelled Power-Ups. Power-Ups in Trello are like additional features or plugins that enhance your board's functionality. Think of them as little helpers that bring more power to your project management. Click on Power-Ups to open a menu that displays all available power-ups. You want to find one specific power-up that will allow you to pin cards. To do this, look for the Add Power-Ups button. This will take you to a search feature where you can explore all sorts of power-ups designed to improve your Trello experience. In the search box, type pin card. This search is going to locate the power-up specifically developed for pinning cards to the top of your lists. Once the search results appear, click on the option provided by the power-up to add it to your Trello board. You'll need to click Add again as it confirms your choice and installs the power-up to your board. After successfully adding the power-up, you'll notice a dialog box that provides more information about it. Go ahead and close this dialog box so you can start using the feature in your board. Now that you've added the power up, it's time to put it into action. Return to your board view where you'll see all your lists and cards. To pin a card, begin by selecting the card you want. Simply click on the card to open it. Inside the card you'll see a new option that's been enabled by the power up. This option will say pin card. Click it to initiate the pinning process. After you click pin card, you'll be given a final prompt to confirm your choice. Look for the pin this card button and give it a click too. And just like that, your card is now pinned to the top of the list, making it easier for you and your team to keep it in sight as progress moves forward. With these steps, you've leveraged Trello's power-ups to make managing your tasks even more efficient. You can now enjoy a more organized workspace with your most important card always within view. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out other power-ups that might benefit your workflow even further.